In this video, I will show you how to apply for a job at Accenture. So in order to do this, what you want to do is open up a browser and just search for Accenture careers. And then from there, click on the first link from Accenture themselves that says careers and job opportunities. And here, simply click search open roles. Now then, what I recommend doing is adding some filters such as the area of interest, such as AI, cloud, consulting, or any of the other available ones. So most of the jobs are in technology. Then the job type there right now is one apprenticeship, and then the rest is full-time, and then the experience level. So just enter whatever you want to add right here, and then you will see a list of jobs that are available and match your criteria. Now, for example, if you want to be a financial crime manager, then you can go and click on it. And then click read full job description, and then here you will have the entire job description such as qualification, locations, additional information, and pretty much everything you need to know before applying. And then if you want to apply, just go and click on apply for this job. And then here you can start your application, so you can either autofill it with your resume or apply manually. So for example, I'll click apply manually, and you can see you have these steps, so creating your account, then adding information, experience, application questions, voluntary disclosures, self-identify, and at the end a review. And after going through that, you will have applied for a job at Accenture. So now you know how to apply for Accenture jobs. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.